Today we'll talk about how can you disable do not disturb on your Meho maps. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here, click on profile down here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on additional settings, just click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click on notification settings. So then you go down, just come here to the here settings, just click on it. You come to do not disturb here. You click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's mean do not disturb, disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.